everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the display language setting in EA Sports FC mobile football game. So the first thing you want to do is to launch the game itself, and once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you need to click on language. Click the pencil button right next to language and you will see different language setting options. Tap the language option and scroll through the available languages and tap the one you want to change to. Now click continue and you have successfully changed the language setting of your preference. You can get back to the same menu and change to a different language whenever needed. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.